last video is start day 1 already. Today we continue to day 6. Day 6 is this one. That's so cute. I like the design so much. It's something I would do too. Day 6 is Alicia, a rare Korean brand that I like the cushion very much. So the story is one day my sister gave the cushion to me because I think it's too bright for her skin. So I tried it and I fell in love with it. Where's this one? This one got a loose glitter gel. It's number 4, Love Dreamer. Let's see. Oh, it's like a really big glitter skin, I think, for your, and then when you want to go out with very nice shiny glitters, this is for you. Where is number 7? 7-Eleven. Back to the blue one. Number 7 is right here. What's this one? Honey Melting Lips from Nature Republic. Oh, for Nature Republic, the main thing that I use is their, what do I use? 5% aloe vera gel. I use it as a mask also when I put it on my face. I also give it to my mom because her skin is so sensitive, and then that gel is so soothing, it's so gentle, it can save your skin. This is lightweight too. What's this? This is a melting lips in number 16, Midnight Sparkle. Like a black color lip tint, but when you go on your skin, it's transparent or having color. Maybe it's gonna be a night gloss for your skin after you put the main color on. Let's go to number A. Sorry, I have to switch back and forth order. Where's my number A? Number A is right here. It's heavy. Another full-size products. What's it? Wonder Black Rice Probiotic Berry Essence, aka Makgeolli, wine of Korean. And then Haru Wonder, I'm using their hand cream. I think it's okay. Their products are good quality. It's not my favorite brand, to be honest, but these are okay to use, so I wouldn't say no to it. This is an essence. My number 9. What is number 9? Oh, nice, right here. There's something new. Booster Shot 2000. This is in the brand Isn't Onion New Pear Booster Shot. This is remind me of the Asika Dorito shot. I think it's similar, have similar benefit. So it's a sensitive skin friendly, non-irritating skin boosting serum formulated with red onion extract, turnover, and improve skin condition with triple action speculars for your nighttime only. It's like a special treatment for your skin. It's interesting to try. I would try this. Where's my number 10? This box is only like take space in my room, but so nice. What can I do? Number 10. Where's my number 10? Must be in here sometime. Number 10 is the blue one in the blue box, in the blue edition. So let's see, what's this one? Is it what I thought it is? I got this one is the Romance Better Than Contour. I actually, look at this. I bought one already. Oh my god. This is gonna be a dupe, but actually I really like this palette. This palette is a nice palette and used for multi-purpose, like for your eyebrow, for your contour, for your nose contour. This highlight a lot actually. And when the white that is the highlight is nice. It's comparable to the Judy Doll highlight, the contour palette one that's super popular. Well, let's see what color it is. Number 1, neutral one. Let's see what number I have. I have number 1 too. I'm gonna give away somehow. Okay, 11. And it's right at the bottom, the purple one. So let's see. I think most of the products in this I already bought myself. I thought I would have something so different. This Medicube PDR Pink Peptide Serum. 5 types of peptide complex. This is new, and I have used Medicube before, and then my sister, she used Medicube. I think she liked it too, and gave me some to try. And I think it's very gentle to the skin, even it's a treatment, but it's more like a very gentle. I think it's specifically for your sensitive skin too. So I'm gonna try this. It looks like it's gonna be very useful for the summer because you don't want anything to be heavy, too heavy. Like serum, I'm okay with any type. Next one, number 12.